This is just a quick video which I know will annoy some people, and it's going to look at the Paul McCartney mystery, or whatever you want to call it. And here initially you can see the photograph of Paul on With the Beatles cover compared with the one on the album cover which has the butcher's shop. And next what we're going to do is compare the image from Spies Like Us to the one on the Sgt. Pepper. I think it's either the back cover or the inside cover that this Sgt. Pepper image comes from. And as you can see, these faces are a perfect match. But what we're going to do in a moment is we're then going to compare the one from the butcher's shop imagery with the image from the Sgt. Pepper's image. And immediately you can see that the head is larger, particularly the chin is bigger, and it is a different shape. That's the most obvious thing. Now I'm just going to put a mask over the eyes there, so you can just see that the eyes are aligned. The distance between the eyes is equalised, and you can see that works. And there we'll see it again without the mask, so you can see there's no cheating involved. And then I'll put the mask in faded so that you can again focus on the shape of the eyes, etc., which is matched, and then the rest of the head is a different shape. And then next we will put in the Sgt. Pepper image on its own, just sort of faded in, so that you can see that it is indeed a match for that image. I haven't swapped it to another image or anything like that. And this is a different person. The two faces, however you want to argue it, are different. So Paul changed between 1966 and 67. So here we're seeing those three sets of comparisons together, just to give you a review, and you should be able to see more clearly that we have a problem. A new book has been released by Tina Foster about the Paul McCartney mystery, which you can find on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the video description here. And we're going to finish up with an ear comparison by Mr. Sandpit123.